Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the Extract feature by SAM function in LiDAR360. You can identify ground object characteristics from imagery by this function. You can directly import image data, use LiDAR360 to generate a DOM, or convert point cloud data into raster data. In the Vector Editor module, click on Editor, select New Vector File Edit, or choose an existing vector file for editing. Activate Extract feature by SAM. In the Selection tools, users can specify whether to use point selection or rectangular selection for vector extraction. For point selection, use Shift plus left click to add a detection area. Use Alt plus left click to delete a detection area. For rectangular selection, left-click to draw a box and double-click to finish. Check Simplify to simplify the extracted vector. The software provides 10 smooth methods for vector smoothing. You can also adjust parameters such as angle tolerance and maximum distance for regularization of the extracted vectors to make the corners of the building outlines more regular and vertical. Attached to ground adjusts the extracted vector's elevation to match the point cloud or model, with options for low point, middle point, and high point. Finally, set the type of automatically extracted vector as polygon or rectangle. Click the Default button to reset all parameters to default settings. After extracting the vector features, you can save the results and end editing. That concludes the introduction to the Extract feature by SAM feature. Thank you for watching.